The material inside here I've used for years and years and years. If you want to take your mentalism to the next level, the Masterclass series is going to help you do that. And it's taken me around the world. Now, over a decade ago, I was touring around Europe, and every single month what I'd do is I'd sit down and become inspired by the landscape to write about a particular subject of mentalism. I also asked my friends, who I consider to be the best when it comes to these particular subjects, to contribute ideas and mentalism and effects. It all got captured on those pages. Murphys have collaborated with Phil Smith and turned them into a reality, and I'm telling you, I'm blown away by how amazing these look. I give these books my highest recommendation. They look beautiful, the covers are incredible. If you're a collector, you'll regret not putting these on your shelf. Hey guys, Pete Turner here. This is the Masterclass series. Get hold of these, you won't regret it.